1/4 of a turn anti-clockwise will give you full pressure. You need to turn on the water pump by pressing this button here. It will illuminate green and you'll hear the pump start. It will take up sufficient pressure, and then once it's achieved the pressure it will turn itself off the pump until the tap is run, and again the water pump will start automatically to replace the lost pressure. You need to turn your focus to this little button just here. At the central position, 0, it's turned off, and then you need to select either 50 degrees by flicking it up over or down over to 70 degrees. When you click it, you hear a distinct click and the water will be hot within 20 minutes. When you see the red light illuminate, it indicates a fault. The fault will be one of 3 things. You've either got not sufficient battery power, or you have no gas, or you haven't taken the cover off. Rectify one or all 3 of those items, turn it back to 0, it'll reset, and then select again the temperature and you'll have no problem at all.